everyone. As we were discussing about chapter 10, and in this we have discussed different types of force and different types of energy also. And some types of energy which we have not discussed is here wind energy, solar energy, and hydro energy. So, what is wind energy? Wind energy is the energy which is obtained from moving air or wind, and it is mainly used to generate electricity by installing windmills. So, wind energy is very useful for us because it is used to provide electricity, which is very important for our daily life. Second is solar energy. Solar word itself explains that this energy comes from sun. So the energy which we get from sun is called as solar energy. And it is this energy is maximum energy means most abundant energy on the earth is solar energy. It is you nowadays we are using solar cookers and solar cells to provide electricity in our house, and we also use different appliances made up of different appliances which use solar energy. So nowadays it is very important for us for our daily life also. Already solar energy is important for us because without it food cannot make their plant cannot make their food or prepare their food. But this solar energy is also important for our survival, means different equipment also run with the help of solar energy. Next is hydro energy. Hydro means water. Hydro energy is obtained from water, and this is also used to generate electricity. Actually, in earlier days, people used this hydro energy to grind grains also. So, by the pressure of energy of running water, it is used to move a paddle wheel that would grind the grains. But nowadays, this hydro energy is used to produce electricity. So these all were different types of energy. Basically, energy is of two types: renewable energy and non-renewable energy. Two types of energy is there: renewable energy and non-renewable energy. Actually, renewable energy is the energy that can be used again and again and is obtained from renewable resources like sun, air, and water. That's why we can use this energy frequently. But non-renewable energy is the energy which may be over because this energy we get from non-renewable resource of energy like coal, petroleum, etc. And this coal, petroleum, it takes millions of years in their formation. So if we will use renewable energy as frequently, then it may possible that it will be extinct from the earth. So nowadays we are searching different energy sources which we get from renewable things, means from sun, from wind, from water. So I hope this energy is clear to all of you. In next class we will discuss about different types of machines. Okay, thank you.